In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a memory from Google Photos. Deleting a memory in Google Photos is a straightforward process. It's important to note that this action only removes the memory itself. Your original photos and videos will remain intact in your Google Photos library. This distinction is crucial because it allows you to curate your memories without losing any of your valuable media files. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Google Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. If you prefer using a computer, you can also access Google Photos through the web at photos.google.com. Once the app is open or the website loads, you will see the main interface displaying your photos and albums. This is the starting point for managing your memories. It's essential to ensure you are logged into the correct account so you are working with your personal library. Next, locate the tab labeled Photos at the bottom of the screen on the app or the top of the web page. Tapping or clicking on this tab will display all your photos and videos in a chronological order. Here you can scroll through your media to find the specific memory you wish to remove. This step is vital because it sets the stage for the next action. Once you spot the memory, you are ready to proceed. At the top of the screen, tap the memory you want to remove. This action will open up the memory, allowing you to see all the photos and videos included within it. It's a good idea to review the contents of the memory one last time. This gives you a chance to ensure you are deleting the correct memory. Once you have confirmed this, you can move on to the next step confidently. Next, tap the More option, represented by 3 vertical dots. This icon is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Selecting this option will bring up a menu with various choices related to the memory. It's important to pay attention here because the next selection will finalize the deletion process. Once you tap on More, you will be presented with options that will help you manage your memory efficiently. Now tap Remove this memory to confirm your action. You may receive a prompt asking if you are sure you want to delete the memory. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Confirming this action will remove the memory from your view within Google Photos. But remember, your original media remains safe in your library. You should see a confirmation message appear, reassuring you that the memory has been successfully deleted. If you only want to remove a single photo from a memory instead of deleting the entire memory, there is an alternative method. Open the memory, tap More, and then select Hide. From there, choose Remove this photo from this memory. This option allows for more precise control over your memories. Additionally, you can hide specific people, pets, or dates from appearing in future memories. To do this, navigate to your profile picture, then Google Photos Settings and select Preferences followed by Memories. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing unwanted memories from cluttering your view. Remember, managing your memories in Google Photos is about personalization. With these steps complete, you should feel empowered to curate your photo library. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Google Photos memories effectively.